Here at Hendrick BMW, safety is important to all of us. So for this Tutorial Tuesday, I will demonstrate how to install a car seat. The location of the hook is essentially the same on all BMWs. In order to find it, look for the button on the seat back. Most of your car seats will have hooks that look like this. You'll want to secure that hook onto the latch below. Once you've placed both hooks, pull the belt tight to secure the seat in its position. The third and final hook is located here on the back of the seat. You find the logo here, latch, and pull nice and tight. Please be sure to read the owner's manual for your car seat for full instructions on installment. And if you have any further questions or concerns, you can visit your local fire department for a free car seat check. Be safe. See you next week.